my god, he's adorable. Oh yeah. Hey guys, Tanya Z here, bringing you another video. So, now I'm going to be doing videos weekly. If we hit 10 subscribers, no, we're going to be doing videos monthly, sorry. If we hit 10 subscribers, we're going to be doing videos weekly. And if we hit to 30 subscribers, I'll be doing it daily. This one is a puppy dog video. And I'm going to be waiting for my puppy dog to record him. Because this guy's crazy and he's never been in one of my videos. And I'm like, hey, everyone looks cute puppy dogs. I mean, we're like him. So he's coming. He's coming. Oh, there he is. Oh, shoot, there he is. Oh, shoot, there he is. He's under the table. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, that's him. That's him, all right. That's him. Yo. I'm going to stalk you wherever you go. Oh my god, what's he doing? Okay, let's put some fun into this vid. 30 subscribers, daily videos, and leave the suggestions down in the comments. The one with the most likes will get it. Oh my god, look, it's Mr. Monkey. You don't want that one? Okay, then... Dude, what do you like? You have so many toys. Just look at this adorable dog. Wouldn't you want it? Wouldn't you want it? Wouldn't you want it? I would want it, because it's mine. He mine. He not yo, he mine. Oh my god, he's fierce. And that's all for this video. Tell me if I should do more puppy dog stalker videos. And see you guys next time.